Linking your bank account to Dukascopy is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your funds efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a Dukascopy account. Visit the Dukascopy website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required personal information and complete the registration process. Step 2. Verify your identity. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access the banking section. Once your account is verified, log into your Dukascopy account. Navigate to the banking or funding section of the platform where you will find options for linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Select the option to link a bank account and enter the required details, including your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and finalize. Review all the information you have entered and confirm the linking request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can easily manage your funds between your bank account and your Dukascopy trading account. Following these steps will ensure a smooth linking process.